What's up, guys? Here's my project CB7. If you guys don't already know, I'm planning to do a wide body all-wheel drive setup. So today I'm showing my wide body kit. So I got this custom made by MOZY. So I had the car 3D scanned by him, and I also went through the design with him. And here's kit1. This is for a sedan setup. And to just show you, this is the person that made it, and I got kit number 1. So today's plan is I'm just going to show you what it looks like mocked up. I won't be installing it just yet. Alright guys, here's the wide body mocked up now. So I got the design made to fit with my rear lip. Currently I don't have my front bumper on it, but if you're wondering, it's a 9291 Accord front bumper with a BB6 ready lip. What do you guys think of the wide body? So here's my engine setup and my trans setup. Currently it's kind of messy as I'm running, but here's my Garrett turbo with my custom engraved valve cover. And this is the transmission I'll be running. It's a custom billet housing from the Few H12 crew with new upgraded gears. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or you'd like to see anything else. Just let me know.